Hi everybody, this is Odd Samurai, and today I'm gonna be reacting to Chainsaw Man chapter 172. Usually I do like refreshers and just seeing if I have new thoughts on the previous chapter, but today I feel like I already said everything I wanted to say for last chapter, and I'm also in a bit of a time crunch. So this one is going to be shorter than usual. So yeah, let's just get into chapter 172 right away. But yeah, we had Denji with seeing what looked to be Nayuta's head on the sushi plate, and then just Pochita's full form came out. Yoru and Haruka and Noana saw it. None of them did anything, but we didn't see where they went after we got introduced to a bunch of new fiends and devils within Special Division 5. So let's just get into it. Uh, the title is uh, a bunch of sound effects. Buzz, boom, chomp. I don't know, maybe it's just sound effects that Pochita is going to make. Oh, first is a panel of I think it's a fiend that has uh, the face of a human and the face of a crocodile. Then we focus on Pochita, and then he just disappears in smoke. Oh, the crocodile fiend says jump, and the body it's inhabiting actually does so. I wonder what its ability is. But yeah, I think that the ones that look more humanoid are fiends, but not necessarily. But the ones that look like there's barely any trace of a human face, those are definitely devils. Oh, well, already Pochita disposed of two of them. One that looked to be completely human, so I don't think he's coming back. He seemed to be the leader of them. He went down pretty quick. And then next page we have the crocodile fiend still in the air and is the only one who Pochita didn't actually cut at all. The other ones got their head chopped off or got cut in half. Interesting. It really didn't seem like the crocodile fiend did it that quick or like last second. So I didn't think it was going to make much of a difference, but it did. So that's. You would think that everyone else would have done it as well, but nope. Never mind. Next page. It just goes, I dodged it. Nope. I was also like, huh. I would have thought that wouldn't have worked because they did it so early, but okay, yeah, well, they got their head chopped off anyway. And realized it a panel later. Well, next page is just all of them, just all of their guts all out, and all body parts in multiple pieces. And then we have a panel of just Pochita posing, looking cool. Oh, I know. What is Pochita going to do if there's no one to fight? Last time we had, like he kind of like, I think, heard Koveni's like voice or distress like feeling in the distance, so that's why he went there. But here, like, and it was also because he wanted to make Denji's dream come true of going on a date with a girl. So what's gonna happen here? Oh, another guy. The Special Division 6 commence operation. So, okay, maybe Special Division 6 will actually be able to do something. And Division 5 was just, to stall for time. Whoa. An explosion. But I'm not exactly sure where it is. Maybe where Pochita was standing. Yeah, Pochita's falling. But, the piece of guts that he has, like a scarf, helps him out like a freaking grappling hook. And there's a superhero landing. Whoa. Then he gets he's getting like trapped and squished by what looks to be the centipede devil. That looks gross. I hate it. Oh, he's actually getting cut. Or it looks like he's getting cut. And ew, what is this? It's like, I don't know, but there's like other two devils as well. Chainsaw Man's bleeding confirmed, Yeah, okay. So they had other devils or fiends that could actually do something. Oh, the centipede devil just got cut. Centipede got taken out. Pillbug, you guys get behind me. Oh, well, too late. Already got his arms and head cut off. And the human guy as well. His head is flying alongside the other one. With Pochita just... I don't know what he's trying to do. I guess just... What is the objective right now? Just destroy anyone who gets in his way. But also, once there's no one left, then what? Where's he going to run to? Ooh. Oh, wait a minute. What? The gut that he uses for a scarf, I think, is going through the heads of all the devils and fiends that he just took out. Whoa, what is that? Is that like for a power? Or is it just aesthetically for us? Like all the heads are, ugh, I don't like the way it looks. The intestine is going through everyone's heads like this. Oh wow. And then the head of the Mickey Mouse looking devil is right in the center of Pochita's hands. I don't know what this is supposed to be, if it's supposed to symbolize something. If it is, though, I'm definitely lost on what. Page 13, a small panel on Pochita, and then looks like his mouth is almost like he's trying to say something or eat something. I think he's getting ready to eat all of them, actually. We see all of his teeth getting ready to numb on an ear. And then we see like a camera recording all of this, maybe live, like a security camera. Okay, but who's watching it? He's targeting ear? Oh, so the ear devil? Okay. Chainsaw Man is about to eat the ear devil. Please confirm. I don't think this is the case, but what if public safety actually threw those devils at Pochta? Because they actually wanted them to get killed and eaten by him. You know, like it was convenient for them to get all these devils get erased from existence. I mean, I don't think that's a far-fetched idea. I feel like public safety, if they wanted to use Pochta, they would use him like this to get rid of devils. Oh, okay, we're back here in the sushi place. Where's Chainsaw Man? Bro, you didn't see what happened when he transformed? Where were you looking? Or maybe he means like, you know, after he went out and just killed everyone there from Special Division 5. Like, yeah, he probably moves like that in a second. Disappeared. Yeah, okay. Man, it is interesting that these two are talking about this now. The ones that wanted to fight Chainsaw Man. Granted, Katana is different. He wants to fight Denji. He doesn't care about this Chainsaw Man. This Chainsaw Man is not the one that killed his grandpa. So yeah, it's all personal. And I'm pretty sure. Well, how much does Katana know, right? Because obviously he was there when Makima was brainwashed all the hybrids and used them against Pochita at the end of part 1. But like, does he remember that? I don't know. Is he even aware that that's not really Denji right now? The one who's acting? Huh? What did you say? A panel of just Yoru looking at him. I don't know. Something disappeared. That's an interesting way to word that. Oh. Two panels of just Yoru doing this? Is she hearing something? She looks kinda, not taken aback, but like, I don't know, she's searching for something. What? And then the last panel is her, I wanna say she's like slightly smiling, but I'm not exactly sure. But even if she is, I have no idea what she's making that expression. This whole last page is just very confusing. Like, I have no clue what it is that Yoru wants to do right now. Something disappeared. So, you know, Katana asks, where is Chainsaw? And she says, disappeared. But there's ellipses in between the disappeared. So I'm not exactly sure that she means that Chainsaw Man disappeared. But rather, she said something. And Katana was only able to make out the word disappeared. And that's why he asks for clarification. And I think Yoru's just annoyed. And she repeats herself, something disappeared. But she has no idea. Well, maybe she does, but she's not sure what the something is. Oh, you know what? I think I got it. I think the something here is the ear devil. Because remember, Makima was able to kinda, sorta, remember concepts that Chainsaw Man had erased in the past. So I think that Yoru has is able to somewhat be able to do that as well. So that's the last page. She's not exactly sure what disappeared, but a concept of something disappeared. And that's why she's like kinda smiling in the last panel, because she recognizes, she's like, oh, it's that. It's Chainsaw Man eating a devil. But like, I mean, I guess this is her really confirming that the Chainsaw Man that is out right now and doing stuff is the one that she fought back in the day. So maybe she's actually gonna try to challenge him. But we'll see. We'll see. And like I said, with Katana, he doesn't care about Chainsaw Man Pochita. The one that he wants to fight is Denji. So I don't think that Katana is gonna be doing much right now. Obviously, you know, even if he tried, we all know that he wouldn't be able to go against him. But I'm more so that he's just straight up not interested in doing that. So he might just be a spectator for the time being. And we don't get a glimpse of Haruka and Novana, so we don't know where they are. But also, kinda crazy. Like, what do you mean, of all the devils that were there, we have confirmation just from, you know, the last page that Yoru is like, oh, it did disappear. That the ear devil, the concept of, like, what do you mean by that? The concept of eaters just disappeared? How does that even work? It's not like, wait a minute, I was thinking, like, if the concept of ears disappear, does that mean that humans stop having ears? Or do they just forget everything that we know about them, but we still have them? And then I really paid attention to pages 15 and 16, and I don't see ears on Katana or Yoru. Oh my, good thing I kept looking at it. That's what she's doing in page 16. I think she's like trying to reach for an ear because she knows there should be something there, but there isn't. That's crazy. That's crazy. Like, just straight up just erasing the concept of ears? Like, that's pretty damn big. And not just the concept of them, but the physical existence of them. And that also might explain, that also might be the cause why Katana couldn't hear Yoru very well. Because just the existence of ears is slowly dissipating. Now, I guess that begs the question, will everyone in the world just become deaf? Or will they be able to still listen to things without ears? Man, that opens up possibilities. But also, okay, so that's the first one that he ate. And there's still so like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like 6 more. Oh no, one or two of them were human. But it was still, that's a lot of concepts that he could erase right now. I'm still like, what is going through Pochita's head? Is he thinking at all? Like, because he can easily defeat all these guys without eating them. So why is he going through all the effort? Like, he's not thinking at all what the big just the big repercussions that it's going to have all around the world. Eating all these devils and the connection that they have with their concept. Man, this is so interesting. What? Okay, man. Okay, so the first, like, I would say, like, what? Like the first 12 pages of the chapter are kind of fun, even if a little gross. But the best part of the chapter is definitely those last few pages. We're actually seeing Pochita erase a devil concept while it is happening, instead of just being told about it. And the way that it was depicted, it's so cool. Even if it took me like a minute or two to really connect everything that was happening. Okay, well. Yeah, so since I didn't do like a full-on recap of last chapter, this is gonna be a shorter chapter than usual. But I really liked it. Oh man, I don't know which one I like more, this one or the last one. Because last one had the really good stuff with Denji at the beginning. But this one has some really cool world building stuff at the end. So yeah, they both had their strengths. So if you enjoyed my reaction to this chapter, please like and subscribe. Until next time, see ya.